Yo, what's up YouTube? My name is Anthony. I'll go by the name of 4Second6Gen. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time watching this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button and hit that bell icon next to that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the videos. I'm assuming that you're here because you guys are interested in my vlog to Jamaica. So if you want to get inspired, you know, because that's one of my segments on this channel is inspiration for the nation. So sit back and be patient because I'm gonna take you guys with me on this nice little journey as I travel out the country for the first time to Jamaica. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we made it to Atlanta. I want to vlog this for you guys because I want to experience this facial recognition in Atlanta. I don't know if y'all familiar with this or not. It just started in December, but I want to experience it. I'm a techie guy and I want to see if this work or not, or is it a fluke. So, I'm on the go-kart here at the airport, and this is pretty fun. I never experienced this in Detroit, so it's pretty. I mean, we going the wrong way. I mean, we supposed to be at gate E30, and we leaving that like bye-bye. I think our go-kart driver may be a little bit intoxicated, but we'll see. Oh, okay, so he turned around. Hopefully we get to where we need to go.
Now we on our way.
Okay, now we on our way. If y'all don't know who this is Jasmine. What's your Instagram handle if you got one? What's your Twitter? What's your Facebook so they can find you? You know.
Just on social media. Razzmatazz.
Spell it out for them. You know they might not be good at
Jazz. J-A-Z.
Ooh, y'all got that. So you want to follow her? She gave you all the information. But this airport is pretty nice here. They got like Pandora over here, the currency exchange, Spandex over there. They got, well, we're in the Delta section, but they got boarheads over there too. That's pretty dope. This is probably one of the freshest airports that I've been to in a while. So now I'm trying to figure out where can we get this. Where we can find this place, because I want to see this new facial recognition for the passport. So let's stay tuned for that. Unfortunately, they didn't have it this time. It was on a different floor, but y'all still gonna go with it. So enjoy. finally made it. Yes, let's get settled in.